Have you ever found yourself trapped in a seemingly never-ending cycle of negativity, where everything in your life seems to go wrong and you can't seem to catch a break? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that the answer to changing your reality lies within you? Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the secrets of the mind and explore the power of thoughts and beliefs. In today's video, we're going to delve into the captivating concept known as the law of assumption, as taught by the renowned philosopher Neville Goddard. So, if you're ready to break free from the chains of negativity and start manifesting the life you desire, then keep watching. Before we begin our deep dive into this profound wisdom, I want to take a moment to invite you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, not only will you never miss out on our upcoming videos that are designed to empower and enlighten you, but you'll also be supporting us in bringing more valuable content to you. Your support means the world to us, so let's embark on this transformative journey together. Have you ever noticed that when your mindset is filled with grumpiness and frustration, the world around you seems to mirror those emotions? It's as if everyone you encounter is in a sour mood. Is it just a coincidence? Not quite. Our external reality is a direct reflection of our dominant thoughts and beliefs. Put simply, what we think, we become. This is where the law of assumption comes into play. It states that whatever we assume to be true manifests in our physical reality. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can create significant changes in our experiences and interactions with others. If we want to manifest positive outcomes, it's crucial to cultivate positive and empowering thoughts. But let me be clear, this isn't just wishful thinking. It's a powerful tool that can unlock doors to infinite possibilities. The law of assumption plays a pivotal role in shaping our external reality based on our internal assumptions and beliefs. When we consciously adopt new beliefs that align with our desires, the universe conspires to make them our reality. It's all about shifting our perspective and embracing the limitless potential within us. Neville Goddard, often considered the master of manifestation, teaches a profound concept called I am. These two simple yet powerful words have the potential to transform our lives and shape our reality. By consciously declaring I am, we are affirming our true identity and commanding the universe to manifest our desires. At its core, the I am concept revolves around the understanding that our thoughts and beliefs have a direct influence on our experiences. When we become aware of our true essence, which is connected to the divine source, and align our thoughts with our desires, we tap into the infinite power of creation. Goddard emphasizes that our self-perception is crucial. If we consistently identify with negative labels such as I am unworthy or I am not good enough, we unintentionally attract situations in alignment with those beliefs. However, if we consciously choose empowering statements like I am confident, I am abundant, or I am successful, we begin to reshape our reality according to those affirmations. The I am affirmation is not mere wishful thinking. It is a command to the universe. When we proclaim our identity through I am, we are sending a clear message to the subconscious mind and the universe that we are ready to receive our desires. It triggers a shift in our vibration, aligning us with the energy of what we want to manifest. Practicing the I am concept requires consistency and belief. Affirmations can be repeated daily, either through written or spoken words, to reinforce our chosen identity. It is essential to detach from the outcome, trust in the process, and act in alignment with our desires. As we align our thoughts and beliefs with our true essence, miracles and synchronicities start to occur. The universe supports our intentions, bringing opportunities, resources, and experiences that align with our elevated self-concept. This shift in perception expands our possibilities and allows us to step into our highest potential. But how can we tap into this power? The answer lies within our imagination. The power of imagination is a key component in manifesting our desires and transforming our lives. By vividly envisioning our desired outcomes, we engage our subconscious mind and align ourselves with the vibrational frequency of what we seek. Imagination serves as the bridge between our inner world and the external reality we wish to create. By actively using our imagination, we can set clear intentions and goals, see ourselves already achieving them, and feel the emotions associated with our intended outcomes. This process helps to reprogram our subconscious mind, which in turn influences our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. However, true transformation requires more than just a vivid imagination. It necessitates self-awareness and self-reflection. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the importance of taking responsibility for our thoughts and beliefs. We must dive deep into the depths of our psyche, uncovering any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. Only then can we reshape our reality and manifest our true desires. By cultivating feelings of gratitude and optimism, we align ourselves with the abundance of the universe and attract more positive experiences. Now that we've introduced you to the profound wisdom of the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings, it's time to incorporate these principles into your life. Start by consciously choosing empowering thoughts, by imagining yourself already living your desired reality, and by taking responsibility for your inner world. If the ideas shared in this video have resonated with you, we encourage you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're committed to bringing you more enlightening content that empowers you on your manifestation journey. So, join our community and be a part of this transformative movement. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, we send our blessings to you on your journey of manifesting your desires. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting and unlock the immense power that lies within you.